Hello flower lovers, this is Joan of Art and welcome to my channel. We would like to share our wonderful day with you here in Losclarita. And for today's video, we will do a special project for our regular favorite client. She have these 5 perfumes and she's requesting something elegant, creative, artistic, so her wish is my command. To make her happy and satisfied, I'm thinking of making a garden theme for her. And our project? How to display these perfumes with flowers. Are you excited? How will it look like? Me too. As the usual process, we will be putting a protective plastic to cover the wood. He also put a glue to make it more secure, but you can skip this process. After that, we will be putting the fully soaked floral foam, and this will be the base of our arrangement. Cut the extra plastic and let's start arranging. Before starting, I already made a plan of how will this arrangement will look like. I already discussed it with Vincent and Matt, and they will be helping me and assisting me on creating this wonderful arrangement. As you can see, I elevated the perfumes so that it will not be covered with flowers. First things first, I always want to put greens, as you can see. This one I'm using is asparagus greens. And let's be creative and do the magic! Some people ask me, why do I do YouTube? Well, the only reason is that I really want to share my knowledge. Actually, I would like to have my own university, but my finances are not yet able to have my own college where can I teach free. So I think YouTube is one of the way that I can share knowledge, and it's fun. I like it. As always, we do like helping each other. Vincent is having the strong hands, Matt is the fast and the furious, and me, I'm always the one creating ideas, doing the planning, and doing the flowers most of the time. But all of us are doing the same thing too. Mostly if we are busy, we are separating ourselves. We have to do it on our own. Such a lucky client because we are not so busy today and we can focus more on her arrangement, and we can make a lot of creativity and share ideas with each other. So let's get the party started. As I'm saying a while ago, I really want to give a free education for the deserving adults or kids. I'm not really for lazy people. I don't want to help them more to be lazy. No, not for me. By the way, I put sticks to support the perfume so it will not move while she's driving. And later on, when we put the flowers, it will be more secured. Always remember that it's better to cut your stems in a slanting position so it's easy to insert on your floral foam. You know, one of my goals is to make these flowers spread positivity in your life. Well, if you change your negative thinking into positive thinking, then you will just have a positive outlook in life. Well, I know it's redundant, but it's true. Having positive thoughts will just give you good results, good outlook in life. So, ditch being negative person. This will not get you anywhere. I admit I also get negative comments, suggestions, but then I just don't care. I don't want to waste my energy, and so I hope you do the same because at least we are helping ourselves. We finished the first part after putting the cymbidiums, tulips, and the greeneries. We all agreed that we need to elevate more the middle part, so Vincent is working on it. And now I will be using hydrangea, which is my ultimate favorite on making arrangements. And my beautiful pink lisianthus. I prefer that you will be covering all the floral foam so it will not ruin the look of your arrangement. Another hydrangea, but I will cut it into small pieces because I want it to be scattered. Yes, I know it's another hydrangea, and you will see, you will like it too. I cannot explain my love for hydrangeas. And this is a part of a cup mix bunch. It's cute, yeah? Next is our light purple roses. This is a lavender lisianthus. And this one is cute. This is called ping pong. It's a chrysanthemum variety. I want to take this opportunity to thank you all my subscribers. You guys are really helping me a lot. It's so fun to share knowledge. It's so fun to share positivity and creativity. It's making me happy. And I hope you guys are learning from me. Thank you all for supporting and sharing my videos. I love you all from the bottom of my heart. I hope we can reach 1,000 subscribers soon. And this one is part of the cup mix bunch also. It's exotic and I like it. If you have suggestions, requests, please comment down below. I would be happy to hear from you. And now we're going to use our Calya lily. I'm trying to massage the stem of the Calya lily so it will be bendable. It will not break the stem. I like doing this process because it gives more drama to the arrangement. Here in Los Clarita, we are always happy to serve you. If you would like to have fresh flowers or artificial, we're just one call away. I will list down our Instagram, phone numbers, and cell phone number if you would like to order from us. We are always here and happy to serve you. Few more final touches and our arrangement will be done. Are you excited for the final look? Laughter makes us young. We are always making a point that we are having fun at work. I know I'm a bit meticulous about doing arrangements, but I just want to make my clients so happy and feel satisfied whenever they come here. When it's my way, I always put accessories. It just adds more cuteness on the arrangement. And here is the final look of our project for today. I hope you guys enjoy this video. So please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it to your friends and families. We would love to share positivity and good vibes. Thank you for watching. See ya!